Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely 5008 in the Allure specification. So this is a 7-seater SUV that comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car's got some brilliant safety features including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. The 1.5-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 13,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.